CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. Project Network. Design a Twitter-like social network website for making posts and following users. Users who are signed in should be able to write a new text-based post by filling in text into a text area and then clicking a button to submit a post. The All Posts link in the navigation bar should take the user to a page where they can see all posts from all users, with the most recent posts first. Each post should include the username of the poster, the post content itself, the date and time at which the post was made, and the number of likes the post has. Pagination. On any page that displays posts, posts should only be displayed 10 on a page. If there are more than 10 posts, a next button should appear to take the user to the next page of posts, which should be older than the current page of posts. If not on the first page, a previous button should appear to take the user to the previous page of posts as well. Profile page. Clicking on a username should load that user's profile page. This page should display the number of followers the user has, as well as the number of people that the user follows. Second, display all the posts for that user, in reverse chronological order. Third, for any other user who is signed in, this page should also display a follow or unfollow button that will let the current user toggle whether or not they are following this user's posts. Note that this only applies to any other user. A user should not be able to follow themselves. Following. The following link in the navigation bar should take the user to a page where they see all posts made by users that the current user follows. This page should behave just as the All Posts page does, just with a more limited set of posts. This page should only be available to users who are signed in. Edit post. Users should be able to click an edit button or link on any of their own posts to edit that post. When a user clicks edit for one of their own posts, the content of their post should be replaced with a text area where the user can edit the content of their post. The user should then be able to save the edited post. Using JavaScript, you should be able to achieve this without requiring a reload of the entire page. For security, ensure that your application is designed such that it is not possible for a user, via any route, to edit another user's posts. Like and unlike. Users should be able to click a button or link on any post to toggle whether or not they like that post. Using JavaScript, you should asynchronously let the server know to update the like count, as via call to fetch, and then update the posts like count displayed on the page, without requiring a reload of the entire page.